in passenger business, we also have to increase capacity in cargo business.
Moving on, President William Ruto has officiated the signing of 14 major contracts worth over 10 billion shillings, aimed at bringing power to communities across 12 counties. The initiative is set to establish 13 mini-grids, significantly improving electricity access to remote areas in Turkana, Marsabit, Samburu, Isiolo, Mandera, Wajir, Garissa, Tana River, Lamu, Kilifi, Kwale, and Narok counties. The president reiterated Kenya's commitment to achieving a 100% clean energy grid by 2030, noting that there being hybrids with solar photovoltaic systems.
The next one, Mr. Japheth Manasseh More. Kindly, all contractors who signed, please let's stand on the right of the stage. All contractors who signed.
These projects are clear statements of intent. We are reducing our dependence on costly and polluting diesel power, cutting energy costs, and reinforcing our climate commitments while enhancing access to our communities, to our villages, and to our towns.
The responsibility of REREC is to ensure that we reach all the 290 constituencies. And this includes the constituencies that are far away from the grid, which we call the off-grids. Some of these constituencies have islands within them. And to do this, we do solar mini-grids to bring electricity to islands where we could not reach otherwise without doing the solar mini-grids. So far, we have done 7 mini-grids under the CAMP project, again, which is under World Bank. We have commissioned 4, and the other 3 are going to be commissioned in the next 3 months.
Moving on.